She suddenly found her neighbors steal kamungan from her and her garden. She was very happy that she found it. She took it and put it into safety. Then she put fence all over her kamungan. Then, best part. Then Uncle John asked Mama Liling to go to dagat. To dagat. So, they went to Sophia.
Sophia Beach.
Sophia Beach, ato ghetto. They were super happy. And Mama Liling said Uncle John's good idea was super good. Kaya mo si Mama Liling
Pinay, nanir.
batayan. Gana siya ang dagat. No. See, gana siya dagat.
Yes.
Then, wala ko worst part.
Yun naman.
Ang worst part.
Then, a wave was coming, so they couldn't go to dagat anymore.
Nag-cry-cry sa Liling. Pinay, ner.
Nag-cry si Mama Liling.
Oo, nag-cry.
Kaya daw, Lola.
Nakadungog pa kuno ka.
Ato ko nadunggan no.
Kasi ni Fierce, ako na siya
Sana wala lola ay di ba kadunggo.
Yun dahil.
Hindi ko
Continue. Taas ng story.
Oh, sige, continue. Nag-cry-cry na sa Liling. Oo.
Then they got into another beach, which was perfectly fine. So they got the second best part. Then they got to another beach and go swimming.
Yes.
Pilan man sa namama ni Mama o Gapi. Kung sad-sad, cry-cry, sad. Sunod-sunod.
Emotions, man.
Oh, emotion, oo. Next.
Next.
Next is she got onto her balay home once she saw her neighbor stealing kamugi from her again. Sad, Mama Liling. Sad.
Sad face, Mama Liling.
Sad.
Oh, next.
Sad kayo.
Oo.
Next, she got her. And she caught them.
Oh.
Them, kinagkanon.
Oo.
She caught them. Then she said to her neighbor, never steal kamunggay again.
Yan na, Judy, gisultihan.
Kamunggay. Happy!
Happy na yun si Mama Liling na. Sige, si Lula yun. Katawa na lang yun na. Kaginay kayo yung tingog. Dakwa yung tingog. Sige.
Sige pa.
Then she told them, and after that,
What happened?
what happened?
Nangupaw.
Exactly.
So, pa rin siya kasing.
What happened?
Mama Liling got to her home and neighbors ay bulan mo
Ha?
video man. Video
Ano di ay?
tutan di ka ron.
Dili di kaganda. Nangutot na si Papa.
Hindi na lang ako mag-story.
Nga naman.
Na video ko.
O sige, dili di.
The ocean. They saw a wave and a cruise ship. They love it very much. But they they suddenly found a tsunami wave coming. Tsunami? was a tsunami. There was a tsunami. People didn't notice except one family called the Bangkare family. I mean the Ankahas family. I mean the Revolter family.
Nay, kamadungog di kay kasaba sa sinsiyo.
They loved it very much that they didn't even notice a single thing other families did, but only the Magali. So